How to activate your CitiBank card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can activate your CitiBank card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you received a CitiBank's maybe debit or credit card or ATM card, anything that you've ordered and now you want to activate the card, it's very simple. Go to citi.com and you'll see this type of interface where you have to tap the sign in option from the top right hand side. Now if you want to log in, you can go ahead and log in, and right under the login option you'll find activate a card button, as you can find it over here. So you want to make sure to simply tap the activated card option that you'll be able to find it, and once you tap on the activated card button here, on the next page it will take you to the page where you can simply enter your card details. So you can simply enter your card, activating your card. Make sure to enter the card number, tap the continue option, and then your card will get successfully activated. This way you can activate your CitiBank card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.